Have you ever wanted to trade Forex using a system that can consistently grow your account every month without the risk of blowing a hole in your account because of some bad trades and still get a massive return on your investment? I'm talking about an automated trading system that doesn't put a lot of your capital on the line, but still has the power and strength to grow your account faster than almost any other investment vehicle. The kind of growth I'm referring to is income replacing growth. The growth that lets you quit your job, buy your freedom, and lets you do what you want to when you want to. Hi, my name is Doug Price, and I've been trading Forex for many years. I love it, I'm passionate about it, and it's what I will continue to do for a long time. Fortunately, I've been gifted enough to have the skill and knowledge to create trading systems that make huge sums of profits in short periods of time. And I want to give you a chance to use one of my most exciting and safest systems I have created. Before we talk about my system, I want to reveal to you a pattern that I've discovered and how you can utilize this knowledge to make yourself wealthy, possibly even a millionaire. Do you know that most millionaires and billionaires are investors? Most of them don't make their money by getting paid by the hour. They invest in businesses, stocks, currencies, and commodities. Let's take a look at a few wealthy investors that you know and may not realize are extraordinarily wealthier because of their investments. Bono. Bono is famous for being the lead singer from the band U2. But what you might not know is that he is an investor, a really smart one. One of his most notable investments, he invested in Facebook early on and turned himself into a billionaire when Facebook went public. Warren Buffett. You probably have heard of Warren Buffett. He is the ultimate investor and has multiple billions of dollars and has been crowned one of the richest in the world from strictly investing. He owns a piece of Coca-Cola, Geico, and IBM. 50 Cent, the second wealthiest rapper, and it's not from selling music. He's a big investor in stocks, bonds, and real estate, with a net worth of $140 million. It's no billion, but it's more than enough to live comfortably. You can become wealthy too. I work with many wealthy clients, and I'm not going to lie, I'm wealthy too. And we all have a few things in common. And right now, I'm going to share with you the exact blueprint we all follow that allows us to keep getting wealthier and why it's so easy. The funny thing is anyone can follow it, but they choose not to. Anyone can become wealthy. It's a decision, not luck. Okay, here's how. It doesn't matter how much money you make. Always pay yourself first. What I mean is, take some money from your pay and put it aside for investments. Save up money to invest in Forex, real estate, stocks, bonds, etc. I know what you're thinking. It would take me 100 years to save up that much money to make money in stocks and real estate. That's where Forex comes into play. All of the wealthy people I have mentioned, they made money starting a business, trading, or working time for hours. Then they took the money they made and invested in ventures, and that made them truly wealthy. And starting today, you're going to do the same thing. You need to invest in Forex. Forex is the easiest and fastest way to start investing with a small sum of money and get a massive return on investment. By trading in Forex, you can quickly build up cash flow and invest those funds into other investments like stocks, bonds, and real estate, and from there rapidly grow your wealth. That's why I create automated Forex systems to build wealth from a small deposit with low risk and all on complete autopilot so I can focus on other aspects of my life. Let me introduce you to Pivot Trader Pro. Pivot Trader Pro is by far one of my most favorite trading systems in my arsenal. It's completely automated, protects your account equity, and trades pivot levels like a professional trader. What are pivot levels? Pivots are key points that help us identify support and resistance levels on a chart as the price action trends up and down. Take a look at this chart. The lines you see on the screenshot of my chart signify different levels that are possible buy and sell entry points. The further the levels go out from the center pivot line, the stronger the signal. Pivot Trader Pro is easy for everyone. Pivot Trader Pro is an expert advisor and trades on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Most Forex brokers provide this platform for free. You don't need technical skills, you don't need to be a computer geek, and you don't need to be a financial wizard to install and set up Pivot Trader Pro. It is a few-minute process to get entirely installed and set up. After you've set up Pivot Trader Pro, it's completely automated. That means you just let it run day in and day out. You don't need to make adjustments. You don't need to touch it. The system will open trades, manage trades, and close them all for you. Pivot Trader Pro is designed strictly to grow your Forex account as much as possible in the shortest period of time possible while easily outpacing other investment vehicles. There's more to Pivot Trader Pro than just pivots. Having a solid entry point for a Forex strategy is important, but there's a whole lot more to trading than just entry. You have trade management, money management, filters, and more. In many situations, it's more important how the trade is managed than the entry. That's why I've implemented multiple features and verifications to keep PivotTrader Pro as low risk as possible. Let's go over them now. Trade management. When a trade has been entered, the trade needs to be managed. Closing the trade too soon can result in losing too much profit, and waiting too long can result in a reversal or loss of profit. With PivotTrader Pro, the trades are managed in a way to reduce stop loss as the price action changes, and then moving the stop loss within the profit region as the profits increase. This is done in a way that avoids moving too soon to lose the extra profit that can be lost from small retracements as the trade moves in the right direction. Money management. I've designed one of the best money management systems in the business. You can of course use fixed lots if you prefer on my account. I use the money management with PivotTrader Pro. I simply put the risk percentage I'm comfortable with, and it does the rest selecting trade lot sizes. The system will increase lot sizes with your account growth, but avoids raising lot size at a rate that is inconsistent with your risk settings. It's careful and calculated and keeps in mind available margin, even if other trades are open on your account. It puts them into consideration. Triple trade verification. I'm a big fan of filtering out bad trade signals before they happen. Of course, a strategy can't be right all the time, but if we can filter out some trades that have a lower chance of success, it will bring us more profit. PivotTrader Pro has 3 tools it uses to filter out bad trades. Here they are. 1. Oscillator filter. Oversold and overbought levels are helpful measures to verify the validity of a trade. When an oscillator is overbought, it helps signal a possible sell opportunity, and when oversold, a possible buy opportunity. Oscillator verification is done on every trade signal, and if the signal doesn't match, the trade is skipped. 2. Trend verification. Using the daily time frame to see where the market is going, up or down, is a useful tool for verifying a signal. If the trend on the daily is up, it will only allow buy signals on a pair, and when down, it will only allow sell signals on that pair. The reason this works well is because typically the trend will follow that direction on the lower time frames. So if the signal doesn't start off entirely profitable, this helps put the chances of success on our trade further in our favor. 3. Candlestick close. This is a big mistake people make in trading, and I made certain that this was implemented into PivotTrader Pro. Most traders will look for an entry signal to trigger, and then just take it. Sounds okay, right? But this can be dangerous. My advice, always wait for the candle to close, and then if the signal is still valid, take it. Sometimes the price action of a currency can trick us by touching a level or going past it, but quickly retreating back to where it would have been a bad signal. PivotTrader Pro is patient and waits for the candles to close. Just another way to verify the signal. Multiple pair support. There's nothing more exciting than running a strategy on multiple pairs. Trading just one pair or even 2 pairs is boring, right? What about 6 pairs? Yes, PivotTrader Pro trades on 6 pairs. You can of course choose not to use all the pairs, but it's been designed and optimized to work with the following 6 currency pairs: USD CAD, USD JPY, AUD USD, NZD USD, EUR USD, EUR GBP. There are 2 types of markets, a trending market and a sideways market. A concern amongst traders is that one strategy may work well in a trending market, but not in a sideways market, or vice versa. Fortunately, PivotTrader Pro can work in both types of markets. Regardless of the market condition we are in, the market will often bounce back and forth in line with pivot points. It may skip a point or two, but it usually respects them, and the design of PivotTrader Pro allows us to capitalize on these movements. A common question I'm asked is, why am I making my software available to just about anyone? I should keep it for myself, be greedy, and not let anyone else have it. In my opinion, that's a bad reason for me to keep it for myself. First off, I do this for a living. I breathe, eat, and live trading. It's my passion. I have plenty of strategies and systems, and this isn't my only one. This is one of my favorite systems I have, and I do make money trading it, but it's not my only one. Okay, so what are the major concerns traders have? 1. It's not real. 2. Just being used to make money by the vendor. 3. Too many users will be using the system and invalidate it. First off, my system is real, and you can see that it's verified by a third party. MyFX Book. They are well known and trusted and verified my account with investor access. If you missed it, you can click the widget below to verify the proof for yourself. Second, yes, I'm not going to deny it. I love money. I'm a trader and investor, and I enjoy making money, and I'm sure you do too. So yes, I do make money selling my system. I'm not going to give it out for free. That would just lead to excessive amounts of people expecting help from me for free and free updates. By selling my system, I do make a few extra dollars, which I don't mind, but I also invest those funds into research, development, updates, and support. I also feel that I've invested a lot of time, knowledge, and experience into my system, and I should be compensated for it if I share it. The funds I make typically invest back into my systems, just more money for me to trade. Third and final, too many users using a trading strategy isn't always a problem, just when it comes to trading scalpers and high-frequency traders. When following pivots, it's just like working with the motion of the market's natural flow of up and down within the market. Because this is a natural concern, and because I can only manage so many traders, I do price my system at a rate to maintain a limited amount of users, and make sure it remains at a reasonable user level. So if you're deciding to pick up a copy of Pivot Trader Pro, please act promptly, because I can't guarantee spots will last. There are two real reasons I'm making Pivot Trader Pro available to you today. First, I want to help other people succeed in Forex markets. There's plenty of money to go around, and it's something I'm passionate about. I've seen too many traders and investors tricked into scams and join managers that were just there to take your money. I genuinely want to help you. Lastly, for years, I sat on the sidelines watching Forex systems released to the public, and yes, some were awesome, but a majority of them were scams. It was incredible to see how these people just kept getting away with selling garbage. I don't remember the exact moment, but I decided I wanted to release a bundle of Forex systems for traders. I wanted to be the go-to guy for quality systems. So what my goal is to release different types of systems that follow different strategies and allow users to pick the type of strategy they desire for their portfolio, while completely supporting you along your journey with updates and assistance. As a member of Pivot Trader Pro, you are entitled to a few awesome perks. Here's what you get when you join my team. You get full access to the Pivot Trader Pro software to install on any computer or VPS you like. You can install it on as many computers as needed and move it around as often as you like. It is just limited to one account per license at a time. You will get the exact same software and settings I use on my own account. With the software comes an easy installer that configures MetaTrader 4 for you and loads the files to the platform. You will then just need to follow a few extra steps in the manual and you will be all set up. It's easy, and I'm here to help if you need anything. Markets can change, events can happen, and because of this I do make updates to my trading software. I put my own money on the line trading my software too. So I want to make sure my software keeps working, and it will. When I make updates, you get them for free. That also includes any changes I make to the settings of my system. I understand you may have questions. You may have concerns. I'm here for you. I do my best to be available 7 days a week. I'm a workaholic. I also try to have someone assisting me as well when I'm not available. So don't worry. If you need help, I'm here for you. I do actually respond to emails. As I explained a few minutes ago, Pivot Trader Pro has a safe system to protect you from bad news events and other unsuspecting high-impact events that cause the markets to move more than they normally should. But just to be safe from time to time, I will email you and warn you the best I can of any impending events so you can choose to turn off Pivot Trader Pro temporarily or any other trading system you may be using. My system works great. There's no questions about it. But I understand that you might not be certain Pivot Trader Pro is for you, or you might have any other reason holding you back. And that's okay. It's normal to have reservations about making an investment. I've been there. When I purchase a product or service, I want to know that I'm guaranteed I will be satisfied. And that's why I'm extending that same guarantee to you. For 60 days, 2 months, you can try out my system on demo or live and switch accounts anytime, of course. And if you find at any time and for any reason that you are not happy, then just let me know and I will refund your complete payment. You don't need to have a reason. You don't have to lose or win. It's an unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. If you aren't happy for any reason, I'll refund you. You can trust me. I have a reputation to keep. Remember, I'm trying to become the go-to person for reliable Forex trading systems. I understand that if Pivot Trader Pro isn't for you, I can help you with another product in the future. I'm not going to refuse your refund for a few dollars. It's not worth it to me. So again, if you aren't happy, I guarantee and promise I will send you back every dollar. As I mentioned, I can't release Pivot Trader Pro for free, and capable of building a new and massive source of income from trading Forex for you. Because of this, the software is almost invaluable. It is capable of producing a full-time income on autopilot and able to beat any other investing instrument, such as stocks and bonds, without breaking a sweat. Top money managers require $100,000, $500,000, even $1 million minimums to invest with them. And a system like mine would cost you thousands upon thousands of dollars to invest in creating the strategy, building it, testing it, and optimizing it. That means Pivot Trader Pro with the software and the extra perks I'm providing is worth immensely more than what I'm going to give it to you for. Ready to get started? Don't forget it's risk-free with my 60-day money-back guarantee. Just click one of the buttons at the bottom of this page to get started. Stop struggling. Stop trying to chase the movement of Forex markets. And give yourself a chance to stop working so hard and so long as an employee for such little money. I want to help you, and I'm willing to guarantee your success. Try Pivot Trader Pro today, risk-free, and see for yourself that this might just be the ticket to freedom from your job and from chasing pips. Sign up now, run Pivot Trader Pro for 60 days, and if for some reason you aren't satisfied, let me know and I'll refund every cent you pay me. I want you to succeed, and I'm going to do everything in my power to help you. Just click one of the buttons below and let's get started.